You should have already heard about the good things in data science, which is one of the reasons why you are evaluating a career in data science. But what are the challenges that data scientists face? Are you up to it? The first challenge in data science is technology. The technologies used in data science are rapidly evolving. There are new products, tools, and techniques that are popping up every day. Which ones to use? Which ones do you rely upon? You have the challenge to quickly learn and adapt to new technology. You learn one, start using it, and then a better one comes through. Stability in this field will take a few years, and until then, you have to live with this evolution. Also, remember that much of these new technologies, as good are they with scaling with big data, they lack sophisticated and easy to use interfaces. Setting them up and troubleshooting them are a big challenge, given the lack of good interfaces, troubleshooting tools, and documentation. The next challenge a data scientist would face is data itself. Are you comfortable looking at large quantities of data in a spreadsheet or a collection of charts and graphics and analyzing them? Or do you want to run away? When you try to get dirty data from a third party and load them into a database, the experience can be very frustrating. Badly formatted data in huge files require painful, iterative efforts to get them cleaned. When you can't open the data in a spreadsheet or a notepad and have to rely on stream programming to look into huge files, it can be very frustrating. Also remember that not all data science projects yield positive outcomes. A number of them get dropped due to lack of data or lack of signals in them. Such projects can be very frustrating. Next comes project structure. Data science projects are loosely structured in terms of requirements and expectations. Goals and plans keep changing as more discoveries happen with data or the lack of data. There will be replanning and redoing as the projects go on. As I said before, projects fail frequently due to lack of signals, and that can be very frustrating after putting in a lot of effort. Can you handle these frustrations? As a business analyst or statistician, your job is to look for signals in data. But data science projects do not eat signals always. And did I say that for the nth time? Half the time, there are no signals in data. We expect to see some, but the results would turn out otherwise. You need to plan for iterations and redesign. You need creativity and discipline when going on search for these signals. The most important thing is not to get lost in the search and wander off. And finally, there is teamwork. Data science projects require diverse teams from engineering, business, analytics, and the field, and the teams need to work together. These teams have different and sometimes contradicting expectations. It is vital for the team to understand and empathize with each other. It is important to stick together in both success and failure. Finger pointing can turn to be a killer for team productivity. Are you really a team player? So, who is really a good data scientist? Not the ones who mastered their technology and domain, but the ones who can make the most out of available signals and situations. This needs openness, teamwork, flexibility, and determination. Are you ready to be a good data scientist?